DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shut up selector boy.
Yo. What's good? Back with our banger video. I already know what time it is, gang. Yeah, man, you see what we are dealing with. We're there with another one. You see me? We're there with none other than Fully Bad himself. Yo, look like Fully Bad not done with DEMARCO, bro. You come like your man say, yo, DEMARCO, you can't get me from this, bro. You see me? I come like ticks on your side. Me depend you like white pan rice. Why for the depend thing? You see me? Yeah, man, the man come like saying, nah, stop on DEMARCO back, bro. Cause yeah, me sure saying just drop the last track, She Marco Burial. I never got to do a reaction to that one, gang. You see me? I mean, even listen to that, because I thought the war was over. We come like Fully Bad say, yo, fuck that. Me want DEMARCO bad. You see me, all with my war coyote, me still a war, me still a drop tune for bust him head. So what DEMARCO do? You see me, I say, I want to know DEMARCO do for real, because I'm going to war two somebody in the war. You see me, I'm going to go left one and war the other. I want to know, you see me, but what they are wait upon DEMARCO reply, you know. You see me, he's supposed to reply to Fully Bad She Marco Burial, and he's supposed to reply to Bloodly Tentic Me and Danger. So I wonder how I go on. I think DEMARCO that dropped yesterday, but I'll know. I wonder what chance see what I go on still. You see me, I say, but yeah, man, Fully Bad there, still a hunt DEMARCO button there with another distract the one name Double Kill. You see me say DEMARCO this, but if you name Double Kill, who else must shoot after in the war? You see me, I say, yeah, man, I have to check it out and see what dog I deal with, man. Dog now play with them. You see me, dog I fly them bad. We'll jump right in the chat. This is Fully Bad. Double Kill. Come on, gang, let's get it.
Team upgrade. Woo! Devil is coming.
All of it.
When the dog said devil's coming, me not read the devil sitting there, no, but go on, do it, come on.
Yeah, clear them down, Bellevue. Me go for two and come kill your blood clot. Shoot up the whole of your yard.
Oh, Mowgli. When the dog say, well, we go for two of them and hey, come on. Yeah, go on, take it.
Devil is coming.
All of me here clear them down, Bellevue. Me go for two and come kill your blood clot. Shoot up the whole of your yard.
Man say, all of me here killing there, Bellevue. Me go for two. I come kill. Hey!
Batty boy!
Me gun no, short her teeth like no granny mouth. Buffy boy a big yard and shaggy mouth. Him nice the one it sang him Cali town.
Bumbo wheel, wait. It's not a coyote, this. The man say, yo, me rifle him the short her teeth like a granny mouth. You see me catch a boy a big yard and jaggy mouth. A coyote matter, right? How are the bongo jungle? Come on.
Go and go out with Shan, make you knock him out. Foot a dyke, don't call me name in your body mouth.
Go out with Shan, make you knock you out. Can't remember say Shan don't stab him up, you know. And he might say, no, how guys say, go out with Shan, make Shan knock you out. And he say, foot a, yo, stop. Call me name in your body mouth. You see me, you know. I'm just do a video, gang. If you haven't seen it, make sure you go check out my last video. Last video I did a live where Fully Bad this is Footy Hype and Footy Hype talking about the war and being biased and stuff. So that's what he addressing right now. Yo, boy, don't call me name in your body mouth. Don't even want to mention it. Hey, bomba.
Nobody knows.
Hold on, them man. No man. The one that Fully Bad come for fly, but for real. Me see one say name Double Kill.
Don't call me name in
like a triple kill.
This time she might do. Nobody knows. First I walk up in a fire. I never see the smoke. Gunpowder me sniff when me come for your glove.
This is a triple kill, man. Yeah, man. Yo. Fully Bad, me need you for rename my song. The one that name Triple Kill, cause you fly but for another one for real. Come in, man.
Gonna knock sweet. You look it up your back just as if you set you free. Rifle a kick Messi come off 5 feet. Man go deal with the place like we don't have me go lease.
It's a rifle just a kick Messi come off 5 feet.
Don't like rice, I like I bring his steam. Blood clot night vision up on the 15. Go fi Marco any hours could I in a
night vision up on the 16. So nobody feel say you're safe in the hey, come here.
Messi come off 5 feet. Man go deal with the place like we don't have me go lease. Head as well like rice, I like I bring his
man say man deal with the place and me don't have big lease. Gonna steam like rice. I want to them, man. Yeah, man. Fully Bad. When they Fully Bad, I did that the whole time.
5 feet, man. Go deal with the place like we don't have me go lease. Head as well like rice. I like I bring his steam. Blood clot night vision up on the 15. Go
man say head as well like rice. I the Glock I bring his steam. You see me? I say, come here, man. Fully. Them a ramp with you. You there ramp with yourself. Fully.
Night vision up on the 15. Go fi Marco any hours could I in a bush sleep. PS bus up 6:30 make grenade them see. Who jump in?
you any hours. You see me, man, say rifle have a night vision, so you go for you any hours all night you sleep. Bust up your face. All 6:30 when it fully. Come here with that say again, man. Fully.
Any hours could I in a bush you sleep. Face bust up 6:30 make Renee them see.
Yes, but bust up 6:30 make Renee them see. Cause I don't know the whole country boy he man. Yo, that I don't know what I go. Come in.
Jump in a hot war and can't take it. Squeeze up like bun on it have in little cheesy than Wally man. Him lose couple teeth and his cheat credit him have a muscle digital.
Boy man say on that one I can't take it bro. I want to your man rifle kitchen. I want to your man clap your eye boy. You just got clapped cuz. You see me? Knocked off.
In little cheesy than Wally man. Him lose couple.
Him lose clap. Hey, come in bro. Come on bro. Fully, yeah man.
Teeth and his cheat credit him have a muscle digital game. Weak. 50 gal big like Bob history. Bandeli carry bow and 50. She mark her love chase like gal picnic.
Hey, gal big like Bob history. I want your dog. DEMARCO. Hey, come here.
Bandeli carry bow and 50. She mark her love chase like gal picnic. Headshot from your go round the dance. Take a good look. In a my gun as
headshot. DEMARCO was chase like gal picnic. Headshot you go on the dance system, bro. I want him tear man. The man say, yo, the man hear him up. Scope you up all night, dark man, you night vision and everything, bro. 6:30 now pass and you're not dead. I know Mrs. so fully bad say so. I don't hear the man come in.
Fuck are you 7.62 punch are you? Run down pan boy you knock it till you go out. That pussy coulda hope you up. Bring the darkness and no power cut. Come ready secure will
live. My man say bring the darkness and no power cut. Who remember the dance power cut? Did DEMARCO have a song on the power cut with him? I think say that.
Till you go out that pussy coulda hope you up. Bring the darkness and no power come ready secure will lift boss head pan a daily shift for who game gun and no show him body safety. Me
man say boss head pan a daily. Yeah, for that who game gun and no show him body safety, bro. Them boy they don't know nothing about machine. Hey, fully body are going.
Ready secure will lift boss head pan a daily shift for who game gun and no show him body safety. Me hear about the clothes them walk and talk share with him. Can't style bad gang Albert go and play with him. Headless killing, senseless with it. Killer them devil have to make step for know where the kill.
Fully bad. The one hey, fully bad. Between this high boy is one like the one I think this my favorite one. So this boy in this one named Triple Kill, bro. Cause you jump body in the one there, man.
Text me from you, see me gonna see me sleep with the brown until my girl vex with me. You should have
man say, yo, anyway you see, yes, you see it with me. Anyway you see me, my girl vex with me. Cause cause she told him sleep with the browning. And then girl vex with him. You don't know, say browning is the Nina, the 9, you know the piece. You know, if you know, you know.
Best dress tricky news, watch up the buckle and catch them spirit. You want to Terry and Jimmy. Remember you run.
Man say use a trouble buckle and catch them spirit, bro. Come on, DEMARCO. I can do this.
Left your village.
Batman Marco. Lucy. The girl where your wife up overseas, I reckon I'm coming at you. You see your wife it up on the media still.
Whoa, no. Man say girl with your wife are foreign, bro. Regular and coming and show me see her post it on the media. Whoa, no, that.
I reckon I'm coming at you. Me see your wife it up on the media still.
Oh.
Yo, nothing. Shit got no get well enough. You must bring back Blake shows them. Tell length for cage off the stage.
Humble clip. Man say yo DEMARCO. Cheese and peace. You see how you man say yo girl with your wife up on the media that we gonna come in and shoot. You see your wife on the media, bro. I wish girl that you post up, bro. You see them girl wicked there. Hey, DEMARCO, go check it. You have to do some. You have to talk clean up in the house, my youth. You see me man say yo DEMARCO will bring back Blake shows them. You know you want Blake the runner. You see me can nothing can yo Langs cage up his stage can go murder my sting. Bombo clean.
Tell length for cage off the stage.
No man, what fear that there again, man.
Bring back Blake shows them. Tell length for cage off the stage.
I say that. Don't get away. Cage up his stage. Darkness. Man, I go murder. Man, I go fly DEMARCO, but a sting, bro. Jesus. Yeah, man, me like this. This one of my. This my favorite. This might be my favorite fully bad diss track so far, bro. You see me, the only problem I have with is the name, bro. This should be triple kill, bro, not double kill, bro. Yeah, fly back in the one day. It's like, you finally wake up and say, yo, them are going like say, yo, they want. Like, yo, they want. DEMARCO war nicer than me. And yo, I'm going. I say, everybody, bro. I don't know if this is going to be like a 3-way. Why for that? Pause. You see me? I don't know if this is going to be like a 3-way. Pause. Again. You see me? I say, burn up. But yeah, man, what go on? Because everybody are fling shot after each other. You know? This is like a war triangle. You know, they have love triangle. This is a war triangle going on. Pause. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, dog, man. So the dog, man, deal with. Buckley. Guys, man, come in and fly. Coyote bat fly. Footer bat fly. DEMARCO bat. Yeah, man, dog. Yeah, man. The man say, yo, night vision. Depend it. You see me upon the scope, bro. Me a kill anyway. I'll find a bush or sleep, man. I kill a dog. Bust out a face 6:30 make Renee see. I don't know Renee girl. Renee 6:30. Renee 6:30 girl. I believe build the puppy tail dance to DEMARCO. You see me and say, yeah, man. And the man say, yo, the boy a big yard. You see me? The boy a big yard. My boss out him head, man. You see me? Boss him jelly. Can't miss him jelly. Man say, enough jelly you have, you know. Yeah, man, the man said, yo, you not to go so him and chop down coconut tree, because the whole coconut them I say coyote have and the missus dogs. So you see me and say, yeah, man, the man say, I'll what boy foot a hype I get him, man. You see, you know what I mention him on the media. I not even mention him on the media. Talk about him, but you not even call him on here. You see what I say? Jaja. Fully? Yeah, man, I like the one again. You know nothing about the one here, man. Why nice? Why there? Look like why I go straight to sting. You see me? I'm there for every moment, every second I eat. You see me as again, you don't know. It's your boy Jambisco here. Leave your thoughts down below. You see me? And also, gang, if you wanna learn, if you wanna see what Fully Bad is talking about, how Fully Bad was dissing Footer Hype and what Footer Bad was saying about Fully Bad, please click on this video right here. You feel me? I can see everything that's going on, gang. You already know what time it is. Boy Jambisco. Till next time, take yourself on the job. I'm out.
Blood clot DJ, I'm a shot at selector.